Are you ready for an adventure of a lifetime in the breathtaking waters of Marmaris? Look no further than Marmaris Scuba Diving by Happy Tours Turkey. Our experienced and certified instructors will guide you through the crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean Sea, where you'll encounter a stunning array of marine life and natural wonders. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced diver, our scuba diving excursions are tailored to your skill level and interests. Our team of experts will make sure you have a safe and unforgettable experience while exploring the underwater world of Marmaris. We offer a variety of diving options, including reef and wall dives, wreck dives, and more. You'll be amazed by the colorful fish, vibrant corals, and incredible seascapes that await you. Our modern equipment and safety protocols ensure that you'll have a comfortable and secure experience. Our instructors are experienced and knowledgeable, and will make sure you're well prepared for your dive. You'll receive a detailed briefing on the equipment and safety procedures, as well as a thorough explanation of the dive site and the marine life you'll encounter. At Happy Tours Turkey, we're committed to providing you with the highest level of customer service. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff is here to answer any questions you may have and ensure that your scuba diving adventure is a truly unforgettable one. Booking your Marmaris scuba diving adventure is easy with Happy Tours Turkey. Simply visit our website at www.happytoursturkey.com to browse our available tours and make a secure online reservation. Our website offers convenient payment options, and our team of experienced professionals is committed to providing you with the highest level of customer service, ensuring that your Marmaris adventure is a truly unforgettable one. Don't wait any longer to discover the beauty and wonder of the underwater world of Marmaris. Book your scuba diving excursion today with Happy Tours Turkey and experience the adventure of a lifetime.